Warning: bounty hunters are not law enforcement.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, Shut it down, for you. Tell me what you wanna do,
Alright, hello everyone. I'm back to the hunt. After Eddie again, because they keep letting his ass go.
I'm here too, it's camera person.
Yeah.
For some reason, camera person is wearing a tactical vest and tactical gear, but we're just gonna ignore that. I'm just here as his backup partner. I'm also armed with a taser. I'm armed with a taser too. If things go south. Yo.
Eddie?
I don't think he's home.
He's not home. Did you tell him we're here?
No. I didn't tell him at all.
You have to tell him.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Bail enforcement! What's going on with this? So somebody's on the property. Fridge raid? Fridge raid? Give me one too. Give me one. Get two. Get two. Get two. Officer E.